Hi friends, we're going to take a moment to look at these fractions and see how we can put them in order. So let's take a look at our fractions and study them closely. The question asked me to put the fractions in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to take a look at these fractions and see if I notice anything about them. When I look at this fraction 5/4, I notice that it's the only fraction that has a numerator bigger than the denominator. And that tells me that that's a fraction that's more than 1. So I have 4/4 to make the first whole, and then a fourth to make of the second one. So I know that's more than 1, which makes it the biggest out of all these fractions. So I'm going to take that 5/4 and I'm going to move it down. I'm going to swap it with the 2/5. So now I've got my biggest fraction down here in the bottom right corner. So now I need to look at 2/5, 2/4, and 2/12. Oh, I just noticed they all have the same numerator. That means it's the same number of pieces. So really what I need to compare is the denominators. So let's think about what I know about denominators. Well, when I look at these pictures, I notice that the bigger my denominator gets, the smaller each piece got. So when I'm looking at 2/12, those are little tiny pieces of the whole square, where 2/4 and 2/5 are definitely bigger pieces. So if I have 2 of these little tiny pieces compared to 2 of the bigger pieces in 2/5 and 2/4, I think I can safely say that 2/12 is my smallest fraction there because I got 2, but they're the smallest size pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and swap my 2/12 for my 2/5. All right. So I feel pretty confident that I got my smallest and my largest. Now I need to compare 2/5 and 2/4. So let me move that up there and let's think about those. Well, when I look at 2/4, I automatically think, oh, that's the same as 1/2. So if I had 4 pieces and got 2 of them, I would have gotten 1/2. Now let's think about 2/5 in relation to the benchmark 1/2. Well, if there are 5 pieces and I get 2 of them, that's what 2/5 means, 5 pieces, and you get 2. 2/5, that's not even half of the fifths. That's less than half of the fifths. So 2/5 is less than 2/4, because if I had 5 pieces and only got 2 of them, I didn't quite get half. So I think I'm going to move my 2/4 down here and my 2/5 up here. So now I have 2/12, 2/5, and 2/4. You know what else I noticed? My denominator got smaller from the 12ths to the 5ths to the 4ths, which means I had to cut the whole into fewer pieces. So the pieces got bigger. All right, that makes sense. So to put these fractions in order, the smallest is 2/12, then next 2/5, the third one is 2/4, and the last one is 5/4. Go ahead and try this question again now that you've watched this video. If you need to, you can watch it again, or you can pause and practice on your whiteboard and try some on your own.